Hi, I'm Robyn York. I run Anchorless Press. We publish photo books, and today I'm going to show you how to do a quick DIY photo book walkthrough. I'm using daylight rather than artificial lighting because it's a bit more even and easy to control. I prefer to shoot in the mornings because you get a better, more even light. By afternoon you get a lot of shadows, but work with what you have. So for this we're using an IKEA stool, which you could use a chair, you can use a little makeshift table, whatever you can find. I'm also using a bookend that looks like this. It's just basically an L bracket, and it's weighted by a couple books. Now, as you can see, it's afternoon. We're getting a bit more shadows right now, but we'll do the walkthrough as if the lighting is ideal. We're using Bristol board for a background. Use anything white I find works really well. Make sure it's clean. Make sure your windows are clean or you'll get this kind of stuff. And your hands are going to be in the video, so make sure they look like you want them to look. Now you'll notice some shadows because our afternoon sun. What you can do to help eliminate a little bit is shoot it during an overcast day, but you can also use white cards like this to kind of reflect away a little bit of it. So again, I would do the cover, the back cover, any details on the spine. And this one has a UV stamp on the cover, so I'd make sure to get that.